Real-life drama brings the power of theater to social and emotional learning. Real-life drama uses technology and interactive learning to keep students engaged. To see how the program works, let's look in depth at the assembly called Stopping Bullies. First, we teach the topic in an engaging way. To review bullying basics, we begin with a boys versus girls trivia contest. Then we present 4 strategies to handle meanies in real life.
Number 2, don't listen to the bully's trash talk, just walk away. A lot of times people, usually it's us guys, we don't want to walk away because we feel like that makes us look weak. But actually walking away is a sign of strength because it says, I am too mature to get drawn in by your big mouth.
Second, we model social skills by watching and discussing a short film. In The New Girl, Holly feels lonely as the new student at her school. The other girls are intentionally leaving her out. But in the end, they realize that they need to bring Holly into their social circle.
So how do you think Holly felt in the movie?
I think Holly felt sad because they left her out, and that feels sad.
Finally, we give students hands-on practice through role-playing. In one scenario, Heather's just put the last piece of pizza from the lunch line on her tray. But Daniel thinks that slice should be his. What will happen if he starts pushing Heather to get what he wants? 2 professional actors present each open-ended scene. Then student volunteers come on stage, become one of the characters, and decide the outcome.
If you don't stop pushing me, I'm going to tell the teacher.
Fine, I didn't want that dumb pizza anyway.
Real-life drama is designed to help kids take what they know in their heads out into their lives. Let Drama by George invest in your students with real-life drama.